In this video, I would like to differentiate between the acronyms AI, ML, and DL. AI represent artificial intelligence. ML stands for machine learning. And DL is for deep learning. Artificial intelligence is a technique which enables a machine to behave like a human. Basically, making a machine enabled to do a work which is done by a human is known as artificial intelligence. Whereas ML in simple terms is a subfield of artificial intelligence. And in which we study algorithms to make prediction based on training data to improve automatically through experiences. That means we train the machine with the help of several units of data so that machine can behave exactly or can make decisions exactly like human. Deep learning is a function of AI. And subfield of machine learning, which uses artificial neural network to mimic the human brain. That means to depict exactly like human brain. That is done in deep learning. Also, AI is the broad discipline of creating the intelligent machine. Machine learning refers to the system, as we have already discussed, from experiences on large set of data. That means we give the system or feed the system a large set of data so that it can learn from the experience and make its decision. Deep learning refers to learning from experience on large set of data. It is a function of AI and a subfield of ML. That means AI is the overall acting discipline that covers anything related to making machines smart, whether it's a robot, a refrigerator, a car, or any software application. If you are making them smart, then it's AI. Machine learning is commonly used alongside AI, but they are not the same thing. ML is a subset of AI. ML refers to the system that can learn by themselves, system that gets smarter and gets smarter over the time without any human intervention. Deep learning is ML but applied on large data set. Most AI works now involves ML because intelligent behavior requires considerable knowledge and learning is the easiest way to get the knowledge. Now here I am going to display an image that is going to make you more clear about how AI, ML and DL are interacted. So AI is the overall set of data that comprises of ML, and ML also consists of deep learning. So this is all about AI, ML and DL. Also there are ASR, that is automated speech recognition, and NLP, that is natural language processing. Now these two, NLP and ASR, are actually the parts of ML and DL here. As the principle underlying the technologies of automated speech recognition and natural language processing. ASR is the processing speed of text, whereas NLP is the processing of the text to understand the meanings. Because humans speak with colloquialism and abbreviation to take the extensive computer analysis of natural language to derive the accurate output. So for that we use the ASR and NLP. So this is all about the AI, ML and DL, and also ASR and NLP in detail. Lastly, in summary, I would like to say that DL is a subset of ML and both are the subsets of AI, whereas ASR and NLP falls under AI and overlap with ML and DL.